Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make homemade potato wedges. You can do this with sweet potatoes as well. Potatoes obviously you need, chopping board, something to chop with, bowl, baking tray. I always align with tin foil. It helps with cleaning and looks after my baking tray for longer. At the back, what have we got? We've got mixed herbs, chili flakes, Himalayan rock salt, organic olive oil, ground cumin, mixed spices and turmeric. I'm not going to use everything, but I'm just giving you some ideas, few things I pulled out from my cupboard. Got the oven going at approximately 180 C and it's just preheating. Alright, so let's go ahead and get that started and I'll show you how I do this. So potatoes, cut them in half, and then I'm used to cutting this, obviously I've been doing it for a long time. Cut them half again. You can have your potatoes whatever shape you prefer, and there you go. So that's how I'm gonna chop my potatoes. So show you again, half at an angle, well it's approximately 45 degrees, and then a half again. So here's my segments ready. Here's my half a potato. Watch this. Look at that. There we are. So I'm going to finish chopping them and give them a wash. So the potatoes have been washed, guys. We're going to add some mixed herbs. We're going to do it in stages because this needs a good mix. Add a little bit of organic oil, organic olive oil I'm using, just a little. Now herbs and spices is totally up to you what you're going to use. I like my food hot. Add a pinch of finely chopped chili flakes, large pinch there, you saw. Salt you definitely need. I'm gonna add a little bit of ground cumin, a little bit of mixed spices, go for the larger side, and turmeric. Let's go for a little bit of turmeric for color and taste. Give it a mix, use your hand, use a spoon, flick it, doesn't really matter. Mix it all up, grab your tray, spread all of it on your tray and just cook, and keep an eye on it. These are going to take at least 20 minutes plus, and when they're golden brown and cooked, test it with a fork or a toothpick. So time for these bad boys to go into the oven. The shelf is at a medium height. Remember to keep an eye on it regularly, and let's see how these turn out. The wedges are nice and golden and lovely and cooked. Time to take them out. Be careful, it's going to be really hot. The reason I didn't give you a timer for your wedges how long to put in the oven, because all our ovens are different. My one's fan assisted and gets really hot. So there we are. I'll just plate these up and then show you how nice they look. So here's our homemade wedges. Lovely, healthy, and really nice and delicious. Hope you found this useful, guys. Enjoy, make your own homemade wedges. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on another video real soon. Bye for now.